Alright y'all, we arrived here on the scene. It looks like we have a flat. Alright y'all, we arrived here on the scene. It looks like we have a flat. No, but I don't know what happened exactly to this tire, so we're gonna take it off. I mean, it feels like it has air, but it doesn't. I don't know how to explain it. So we're gonna go ahead and take it off, and we're gonna take it from there. Oh, I need to buy myself a jack.
2,000 years later.
Guys, and we got the tire off, the rim. Oh, also, I'm going to put a poll. Hopefully you guys can help me out. What color should I paint the calipers? Oh, very nice, guys. Right there we have some Challengers. So the tire is back on the car. The car's ready to go. Okay guys, so we're on our way back. I am going to get my wife to drop me off back over here, and then we're gonna get the car, and hopefully it doesn't, well, I'm gonna see if it rains or not. If it's gonna rain, I'm not gonna wash the car. If it's not, then I'll wash the car, you know, get the car cleaned up and stuff, so I could do some little bit of video and a few pictures of the car with the new setup. Unfortunately, I probably will not be able to get a video for you guys and some pics soon on the new wheels. I'm sorry. So either way, guys, I promise you guys I'll have some content with the wheels, and I love them. The Rohana RX-5s are awesome. But as you can see there, guys, check that out. Let me just see. Hold on. Look at that. It's flooding, and that's not good. I'm going to end the vlog here, guys, and hopefully you guys can forgive me for not being able to put some footage of the wheels and some pics, but I will soon, as soon as this weather gets a little better. But as far as making any more content with the car, probably not anytime soon, just because it is flooding and all that. So if you guys liked, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, guys. Thank you all. Hope you have a good one. Until next time.